All right, Chris L. Davis here of automationbridge.com, and this is the video where I'm going to show you how to integrate Magic Action Box with Mailchimp. As promised in my previous video when I showed you how to do it with GetResponse. That's the video where I went over how to create a Magic Action Box, all of the settings, the features, and how to integrate it with your site. This video is going to be strictly about embedding your Mailchimp form with Magic Action Box. That's it. So let's jump right into it. As I mentioned before, when you're in your Magic Action Box, they have the option to add your Mailchimp key. I told you not to do it that way, and here's why. So once you have your Mailchimp API key inside of Magic Action Box, and just for review, you grab that key by going to your accounts, and right under extras, it's API keys. All right. And you'll just grab your key down here, go back to Magic Action Box and throw it in there. And now we can create an action box. All right. So we'll do a new one. We're going to call this one Mailchimp. And for the sake of being different, we're going to use the dark one. The last time I used the light one. So look at this, Mailchimp update list. I'll click that. There it is. It'll pull in my list name button. Get it now. And as you'll see, I have just email. All right. But in Magic Action Box, you are not allowed, if you use this integration, the Mailchimp integration, to do just email. It's going to make you do last name, first name, and email, and in this order, which is crazy because most people are really used to putting their name first and then their email. So there's just all kind of things wrong with this. And this is why I don't recommend doing the built-in integration. Click other and just copy and paste it. So go into your mail form. This is my form. Remember, just an email address and a subscribe button. I'll go get the embedded form, and we're going to use the super slim one instead of the classic. I want to use the super slim. Grab this code. Go back into Magic Action Box. Paste it. Let's get it now. Process the code and continue on with the rest of the configuration, which I'll do and just come back. Okay, so I have all of the settings in. I have my main headline, subheadline, some copy, got my image back in there, privacy text, everything else. We'll hit save. And then remember, you need to place it in a widget that you would like for it to display. In the free version, there is no short codes, so you can display it anywhere on your website. So you just drag the Magic Action Box widget over, select Mailchimp, hit save just in case, hit refresh, and there we go. So again, I misspelled awesome. You'll forgive me for that. But again, look at this. It's asking for the email address and then just some blank field. I don't know what this field is, and it didn't remove this subscribe to our mailing list. All right, now this is the Mailchimp integration. I didn't do anything but copy, paste, and select and hit process. So what's the workaround? Here's the workaround to it. You're gonna go back into your Magic Action Box, and again, I'm sorry, but you have to go into the process opt-in form code. For you that, everybody that doesn't want to do code, this is going to require that. And this Magic Action Box field div, it's just blank. You just need to delete that. Delete that, and then for whatever reason, this subscribe to our mailing list label, take that out. And you should be good with those two changes. So it's like two changes for both provide, GetResponse, Mailchimp, AWeber. It's just a couple changes that you have to make. But it would be nice if this was default, right? It would be very nice. Hit update, refresh, and there it is. Okay. So this is it. The only other thing that I would like to see is the ability to center the headline and subheadline without using CSS. As it is now, you can't customize any of these templates that are built in, and that would be a nice feature to be able to at least center the text. But so remember, here's the get response one at the top, and here's the Mailchimp. So that's how you integrate Mailchimp with Magic Action Box successfully. If you want the fields to map the right way and it to display correctly, just those couple adjustments that you'll make, and you have Magic Action Box implemented correctly with Mailchimp. So if you have any questions, if you get stuck anywhere, of course, comment below here on YouTube or on my website, automationbridge.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated with all these tutorials that I'll be putting out about, all of my tutorials are based on converting online and getting the most out of your website, growing your business through using technology to help automate your business. So I have a lot of tutorials, walkthroughs on how to implement the technologies instead of necessarily saying how to do, like what they do and everything. So yeah, subscribe to my YouTube page or just follow me on my blog, jump on my newsletter, automationbridge.com, and see you in the next video.